Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, let's talk about Viggle AI. And this should be looking like this if you want to use this one and create this kinds of videos. First step, go to Google or any other search engine, search Viggle AI. Click this one and you'll be directed on this website. Now this is a new interface. You can either click here, try Viggle now, or basically try on the web. Now once this is okay, once you're good to go, you're going to see this one. Click home button and you're going to see this new interface. Now these are the sample videos that you can check on this website. Now there are going to be different kinds of settings now. Before they only have one, which is move. Right now you can mic, multi, wrap, or mix. So for move, just for the sake of the discussion, let's go for the simplest one and the most first feature here. Now I'm going to click on library first, just checking. So mine is done. So go to move there. As you can see, I have the one right there. Just upload your image here, as you can see. Simple image, preferably a full body photo. And then I can choose some templates here. You can drop your video. So I'm just going to choose one here. I'm going to go for this one. Click confirm and click on generate. And now I have created one earlier. Let's check how it looks like. And this should be the final video that I have. As you can see, Iron Man is really dancing. That's pretty awesome, right? And basically that's it. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one.